Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to grow your YouTube channel using YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want more views, subscribers, and better channel performance, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open the Analytics section in YouTube Studio. So this is where you track views, watch time, click-through rate, and audience behavior. Next, identify which videos perform best. Look for topics that get high views, retention, and engagement. So optimize your thumbnails and titles. Better thumbnails usually increase click-through rate and attract more viewers. Now update your descriptions, tags, and keywords properly. SEO helps YouTube understand and recommend your videos. So check audience retention graphs. This helps you understand where viewers stop watching. Next, stay consistent with uploads. Regular posting helps your audience stay engaged and improves channel momentum. So add end screens and cards to promote more videos. This increases watch time and keeps viewers on your channel longer. Now reply to comments and use community posts. So active engagement builds stronger audience loyalty. Finally, keep testing new content styles and monitor analytics regularly. Growth comes from constant improvement. And that's how to grow your YouTube channel using YouTube Studio in 2026. Once you use analytics, SEO, and engagement tools properly, your channel can grow much faster. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more YouTube tutorials.